Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a wonderful week. So the trend back, the upside trend is back. The bulls are back on the cryptocurrencies. So I have mentioned last time that whenever there is the so-called crash in the market, I use the word crash very cautiously. So everybody panics, and when you go and read the news, you'll see everything negative. So just for example, if you're looking at Bitcoin here, the 3 waves here, go and check during this period how much negative news there has been about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. Okay, so this can cause an emotional roller coaster especially for those that are holding long term. I'm one of the people that are holding. I've got a very big portfolio on the cryptocurrencies, and I'm holding for the long term, 5-10 years. So I do not look at the news. I look at the technicals, and you'll see how the technicals makes you or helps you make better decisions. Okay. We're going to look at the charts that we forecasted and how we have been forecasting the market all along, and you compare it to how the market is playing out. So you'll see the comparison between the fundamentals, the rumors on Twitter and all these social media pages, and the reality, actually. So I call the technicals the reality because it's not biased, it's as is. So let's have a look here. We're going to start now with the trade recaps. Before we start with the trade recaps, if you'd like to contact us, you can go onto our YouTube channel, Trading Waves. Under the description of all our videos, you're going to find our contact details. So check out our contact details under the description of each and every one of our video. So you'll also find the link to our website, ELLIOTTWAVEprinciple.com. Make note that that's going to change. We are currently soft launching our brand new website where all content is well organized and user-friendly for members. You will see that in the next week. It's all done now. We're just launching it softly, trying to eliminate some minor glitches. Right, so our next course is going to be on the 29th of November. Okay, let's make sure of this date so we don't get it wrong. The next course starts on Monday, the 29th of November. That is the last course of the year. So if you're interested in joining us, in joining the course, you can purchase that on the website, and you can start watching the course immediately. So as soon as you subscribe, you'll get the recorded course available to you. You'll have access to that course. Now, the advantage with that is that when we start the live course in November, you've already watched the course. You've already been part of the system. You already see how we do things. So you can engage live and ask questions that you would have wanted to ask while you're watching the recorded version. So that is why we have the live course every second month. So the next one for the year, last one for this year, is the 29th of November. Check that one out. Also check out our social media pages, Twitter, Facebook, stock tweets, and all for all our updates and our charts before and after. Right, let's get started. How did we forecast the market? I'm just going to show you the forecast for the past week, but for Bitcoin, I'm going to show you the full cycle. Let's start with Bitcoin. First, just look at for what has happened in the last week alone. So in the last week on our 1 hour charts, we've been looking for this one to have completed the 3 waves and for this to make a continuation to the upside. So we've already traded from 42,000. We're currently trading around 55,000, 56,000, currently 55,700. So that was the forecast on Bitcoin. How did Bitcoin play out? Let's see how the market has played out since that forecast. So in our trading room, we focus this on a daily basis, and we update this 1 hour charts twice every day. That is once before the start of the London session and again during the New York session. So you can see here, we have had this forecast since around 42,000. We've been looking for this to make a move to the upside. We've already made over $13,000 move from the forecast that we forecasted at the end of October or beginning of October. Okay, so that is how Bitcoin has played out. So let's have a look at the rest. I'm going to show you the rest of the structure on Bitcoin. We did not only just focus this 1 hour, we focused Bitcoin from around here. That is going to make a move down and it's going to make a move to the upside. That is the power of wave analysis. It enables you to focus multiple moves ahead. Okay, so that was Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the rest here. So this is now Ethereum. Similar structure, but look at the forecast. So around here, we were already looking at these 5 waves to the upside as far as Ethereum is concerned. We're already here at 13,600. The only difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has already broken the this recent May high, but Ethereum has not quite yet. But we are here. But let's see how the chart has played out here on Ethereum. So that is Ethereum after. So this was the forecast before and then after. So you'll see again that we did not just forecast the current move from here. We focused it from here, down here, and up here. Multiple moves ahead on Ethereum. Okay, let's have a look at the rest. I'm just going to show you the top 4. Ripple. What was the forecast on Ripple? We're looking for this one to start here. Wave 1, 2 in the purple degree, expecting more upside. Okay, Ripple is currently around this level. Okay, we're still expecting more upside. Let's have a look. This is how we focus. Like I said, these charts are updated twice every single day, Mondays to Fridays and on weekends. So that was the focus, the wave 2, looking at that move here. So we've already made such a significant move to the upside as far as Ripple is concerned, right? And I think I would have skipped another one here. That was Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin. So we've got Litecoin, all of them similar structures really. They're all showing similar structures. So Litecoin, this is wave 1, wave 2 here. So we're looking for this one to have broken out here to start the wave 3 here, all the way to the upside. How has Litecoin played out? Let's have a look. After, this is how it has played out. Okay, so from right here at the bottom, breaking out, we've already made such a big move to the upside. Now, this is the power of wave analysis. We are able to focus multiple moves to the upside, multiple moves ahead. So let's start again. Let's start here with the analysis for this week. I'm going to go to through Bitcoin in detail so you can see where all this comes from. So what you've seen is only the 1 hour charts, but we're not only just looking at the 1 hour charts, we're looking at the bigger structures and how this is going to play out over the short, medium, and long term as well. Let's go to the cryptocurrencies. Now, these are charts that members get before the moves play out. So let's have a look at the cryptocurrencies. And I'm going to start with Bitcoin and the daily chart, okay? So you can see where this comes from. Now, you see here from around September, while that so-called crash was happening in September, we were looking for this one to just come down here, flash down to about 39,000, which we have. We've already made these 3 waves, and we are now currently at 56,000. We've already broken this level here. This is a daily chart here. So we're currently on our way to the upside here. But first, we need to break the previous high here. We've already broken this wave 1 here, but we need to see Bitcoin break the previous highs or all-time highs at 64,000 for us to see upside to even 100,000 on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the 4 hour as well on Bitcoin. So this is the 4 hour. So the detail that you see now is this. So if it's just that this one is already updated, so this is what the 4 hour looks like. So we focused that this was going to make a push to the upside here and move down here. All of these moves have been forecasted before. So we are on the 4 hour. We're expecting more upside. We're currently around 56,000, consolidating around 55,000, expecting more upside. That is Bitcoin, and the 1 hour you've already seen. Now, that is not only, we're not only seeing Bitcoin like that, we're seeing all the charts, all the cryptocurrencies like that. Look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, similarly on the daily, we're expecting this to give us a 3-wave pullback like that, a push to the upside, a move to the downside, and a move to the upside, where we are now already around 3,600 on Ethereum. 1, 2, 3 moves forecasted have already played out. We're currently looking for more upside on Ethereum. Right, so that is what we have. Let's look at the 4 hour chart on Ethereum. You'll see now when we get the detail of this, we make a move in 3 waves into the blue box. As you've seen with the forecast, this was the move up here. We forecasted Ethereum last week to push from here to around this level now. We're expecting even more upside to even the all-time highs on Ethereum. Right, same thing with Litecoin. Let me show you the daily on Litecoin as well. Let's show you the daily on Litecoin. So Litecoin, again, we're looking for this. How did we know we're going to have to come down first here and push to the upside? Okay, so that is what we expected of Litecoin, and the detail on Litecoin and the 4 hour is like that. So we've got that move. So this is where we were on the 4 hour. This is what the daily was showing you, that they were going to come flash down and make a move to the upside. We're currently around this level, consolidating here, expecting more upside. That is Litecoin. And Ripple as well, same on the daily on Ripple. Look at that. All of this forecast, what you're seeing here is only the front end of a detailed analysis on the cryptocurrencies and the rest of the pairs. So for those that are interested in the Forex space, look out for the Forex video, ELLIOTTWAVE Forex and Crypto Forex video on our channel. Now we've got the move to the downside, and we're now around this level, around 109, looking for more upside on Ripple. Let's go down here onto Ripple. So this is where Ripple is. So we focus that we're going to have a move to the upside. So it's all continuation patterns. We're all looking for continuation patterns here as far as the cryptocurrencies are concerned. Let's see here. Bitcoin. I want a chart. Let's go to the chart here that I've shown you initially. I want to show you what the next focus is on Bitcoin. Let's go up here. So if you've seen what I've shown you on the after chart on the 1 hour, this is it. So we're currently consolidating here. We're expecting a move to the upside. We're going to expect a deeper correction, maybe even back as low as 51,000 before we push to the upside. That is a forecast for the next coming sessions. So we're going to have a push to the upside, a correction, but we're still expecting more upside as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So these are the ones that are listed on our website, but the rest we analyzed during our live trading room. Let's have a look here. Doge not listed, but if you look at Doge, what have we discussed last time on Doge? We said that Doge is making a 3 down, a 3 up, a 3 down. We will expect this to make a move to the upside. So this is now consolidating here. We're expecting Doge to continue pushing to the upside after the 3-way move. Okay, that is Doge ADA. Okay, ADA as well has made a nice 3-wave pullback. 1, 2, 3. We're now starting with a move to the upside as follows. So this is the 3 waves already completed. ADA, expect continuation to the upside. Solana. Solana also made a clear 3-wave structure here. 1, 2, 3, pushes to the upside. Let's expect this on Solana, a pullback here and a continuation to the upside. We will need to break this to see new highs on Solana. All right, so Binance. So Binance looking very good with a textbook zigzag here, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down, and a pulsing move to the upside. We're consolidating here. We're going to see more upside to retest the recent highs at 475, 500 on Binance. All right, the rest of the structures will be similar. Monero, textbook, WXY, move to the upside, continuation, consolidation here. We're going to see more upside. All right, so those are all the cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu, let's have a look at Shiba Inu, which has pushed up higher over 300% in just the last couple of days. Let's have a look here. As I've said, there isn't much data on the cryptocurrencies, so the analysis on the cryptocurrencies is fairly simple. So this, if you look at other data providers, you'll see that there's like a 3-wave move to the upside here. And then this, we're looking at a pullback. We're looking at this as a continuation to the upside. We're looking at this as a pullback. We're looking for this one to continue to the upside. So watch out for this move on Shiba Inu. Okay, obviously you need to have a strategy to know when the correction is done and when it's ready to make a move to the upside. That is a 4 hour. Okay, so that's a 4 hour on Shiba Inu. We can get this one, doing that, done, there. So we get that corrective structure. So the skill here is to understand how the corrective structures play out and how that is integrated to the indicator to know when this is ready for the next leg to the upside. A lot of people would have missed this move to the upside, but because now they've seen it, they've had all the noise about Shiba Inu pushing to the upside, they want to come buy here. But as soon as you buy, you don't know how far this correction is going to come. Maybe this is the reversal. Now you panic, you exit the trade, but you find that it's only the correction and it actually pushes to the upside. Okay, so trade responsibly, do not trade with emotions, trade technically, and you must have a clearly defined strategy. All right, so that's all for this week, guys, as far as the cryptocurrencies are concerned. If you like what we do, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and hit that bell notification button so that you can get a notification the next time we upload a video. Trade responsibly. See you next week. Cheers. Bye-bye.